So this is how I'm going to make French onion dip. So I'm going to start with 1 cup of Real Mayonnaise. Then we're going to add in 8-ounce packages of room temperature cream cheese. Now I'm also going to put in 3/4 cup of sour cream. Next I'm also going to add 1 medium minced sweet white onions, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to sprinkle with half teaspoons of salt and ground black pepper according to taste. I'm going to stir it up using with the rubber spatula. So once that's well combined, we're going to put it into the serving bowl. For the garnishing, I'm going to sprinkle with some minced chive. And that's it, you have a nice French onion dip. Simple and easy to make. Serve with some celery sticks, baby carrots, saltine crackers, and even potato chips.